All right, y'all. What is up? We're doing another Coliseum video for the Dryax, right? I have a better guess who's back, dude? Big boy Embo, always finna be here, bro. I'll do a run with Greedo, and then I'll do a run with Kara, and we'll see which one is most optimal. But we just need to get the counters and shit. If you don't get the count, this is also tier 6 first, so we're just doing tier 6 to show like how they just completely kick ass, right? Let's see. They may even lose because technically they're like over the threshold or whatever, like on their health. So, but we'll see. And I have him 75 now, so he's gonna be doing crazy damage. Let's get this over with, bro. And if you just gotta, yo, damn. See, now they have their, yeah, you just need Embo to score critical hits. That's literally all. Let's get rid of that. Put it on you. Alright. Counter. Thank you. Counter. Nothing. Alright. Well, that'll be the end of tier 6. Yeah, these guys still rocking it, dude. Like, Embo is just like, goodness gracious, dude. Genuinely kicking pure ass, bro. But yeah. Let's try one with Greedo, and then we'll try the other with Kara. There we go. Probably put it on CAD first. Thank you for attacking twice. Critical chance up. Spill all buffs on target enemy. Oh shit. Alright. Don't get. Alright, there we go. Optimal. This is good. We'll just hit him again. And again. Just for those extra, and then with them you can get this down, and then now that they both have, yeah, see, now they already have their contracts, right? So, oh my god, dude, lock in, actually lock in. Yeah, now I can put this, so he'll get that, and then whenever he attacks, he basically has a guaranteed second attack now, which is freaking great. Yeah, don't have it on him yet. Goodness gracious. Yes, perfect. Why didn't it give him the second attack? Yo! What the heck was that? He's just attacked 3 times. I've never seen someone, or Greedo, attack 3 times in a row. That's so weird. Holy rare occurrence. Alright, bro. Embo, get the attack. Embo, don't die. Oh my god! What I didn't want to happen. Bro, this is not optimal. Shit. Dude, they're like pushing back his turn. Like, don't kill him. Okay. Good. Yeah, alright, we hit 80. That's pretty good. Especially with these annoying ass Dryaxes, dude. Golly. I hate this boss so much. Jimmy's such an annoying boss, dude. Oh my god. Just kill me, dude. Oh my days. Yeah, why couldn't this just happen? To all my other characters. Like, I understand this. I haven't really looked into his kit much, but I'm pretty sure he hasn't upped dodge chance or something. Oh, 47. See what I mean? Like, I know this is like what? Like exactly 2 hours after. But dude, 47 is not bad. Greedo, yeah, I just want to test out Kara also. Wait. Probably gonna throw that bitch on. I don't know if I should throw it on Kara after or Embo. Probably Embo. Or no, should I do? Depends on. All right, if we have Kara's AOE, I'll throw it on Kara. but if oh no, I should have bought the spell. Because they resist, I just don't want potency on him. Alright, wait, now we can do this. Deplete him. Hopefully, don't get it over. Thank you. Thank you, good counter. Good counter, good. Equal, they're about equal. Can we get the contract? Por favor. You literally have potency on you! What are you doing? Now we can't get his contract because we don't have him, like... Oh my god. Alright, dispel that. Just dispel it. Alright, yeah, you need this. There we go. Contract activated. This is good. This is good. Dude, we're doing a lot of damage with Cad Bane over here. Really good. Let's see. Dang it, dude. Stop, dude. They're resisting, bro. Stop resisting. I wish his dodge actually, like, worked, bro. That would be amazing. Like, what are you dodging? Oh my god, dude. Alright, bro. Just live. Just live. Live. Drogon, live. Oh my god, thank you. Yeah, Kara. Actually, you probably should have put it on Zeb. I'm not gonna lie, because he's gonna live longer. And he's actually doing good amount of damage now. There you go. The burn on him. The burn is like doesn't even really do anything. I'm not gonna lie. It's good. I think Greedo is most optimal. Let's see. Get rid of their turn meter. If you actually can, you have potency up, bro. You're supposed to get rid of turn meter. That's literally what you do, Kara. Most useless slob ever, bro. Holy crap. Okay, so Greedo is better. For the last one, we're on a Bam lead. Because Bam was good last time. Let's see. Where is he? Bam. Zeb. Drogon, Kara. I think it was Bane that did. Is it Bane? Yeah. Yeah. We haven't used the Death Trooper lead in a while, which is kind of... I guess the Death Trooper's been dethroned. Kara first. Alright. This is good. Alright, let's get rid of you. This is good. Yes. Is Bam still the king, bro? Stop! Oh my god, it's pissing me off, bro. Dude, please, 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 just don't resist, dude. Probably Cad. There we go. Dude, Cad Bane does so much damage, dude. Or no, it was Kara. She did seven upsy downsies. I'm gonna pull this out now, because is this even worth it? I don't even know. I think we should only use this for buff the spell. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, that does make sense. Oh yeah, go ahead and resist it again. Come on, bro. We need you to stop. There we go. You. Dude, Mando, just survive. Not that much. I don't know. You had like no whistling birds right there. Drogon. Thank you. I think we know Mando's gonna die right here. So if we put it on Zeb or Mando. This is a big choice that I'll do Zeb. He's gonna die now. Survive. Alright. This is good. Didn't resist. This is good. 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 This is a good. Oh, I didn't mean to click that. Oh shit. Attack him. Yo, that was actually such the biggest mishap on my part. Goodness gracious. Oh my god. I sold. Alright. Mando is still the king, bro. Survive. Damn! Weave. Alright, I guess Mando still is the best. Yeah, we went up 2 places right there. That's good. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, you know, comment. Do all that. Just want to help you all out. But yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace.